Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for an app that gives you free access to movies, TV shows, dramas, and even cartoons without the hassle of subscriptions, then you're going to love this video. Today we're talking about OnStream, a lightweight yet powerful streaming app that has become extremely popular among FireStick users. What makes OnStream stand out is its massive content library, covering everything from classic favorites to the latest releases. Unlike many streaming apps that are heavy, buggy, or packed with ads, OnStream keeps things simple with smooth streaming, fast navigation, and a clean interface that works perfectly on FireStick. And the best part is that you don't need to waste time searching shady websites to find a working download link. I've already added OnStream to my custom FireStick app store on Unlinked, which means you can install it in just a few clicks, safe, fast, and completely hassle-free. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through installing OnStream on your FireStick, setting it up for the first streaming experience. So let's get started. From your FireStick home screen, navigate to the search icon in the top left corner that looks like a magnifying glass. Click on it, move down to the search bar, and press the Enter button on your remote to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Type Downloader, and you'll notice you only need to enter the first letter D because the app appears right away in the list below. Scroll down, select Downloader, and press the center button on your remote. Click Download or Get, and give it a few seconds to finish installing. Once it says Open, that means the app is installed. But don't open it just yet. Press the Home button on your remote. Now scroll over to Settings and select My Fire TV. Click on About, then highlight Fire TV Stick, and press the center button on your remote 7 times in a row. You'll see a small message pop up saying, "You are now a developer." Press the back button, and you'll notice that Developer Options is now available. Open Developer Options, scroll down, and click Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader in the list and turn it on, then press the Home button again to return to the main screen. Next, open your apps and channels, scroll all the way to the bottom, and launch the Downloader app. When Downloader opens, simply click OK to continue. Move up and select the URL bar, then press Enter to bring up the keyboard. Type unlinked.link exactly as shown, and click Go. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see Android and select it. The app will now connect to the server, and the download will begin automatically. Before we continue, here's a quick reminder. Apps like OnStream provide free streaming content, so I always recommend using a reliable VPN. Personally, I use IPVanish VPN because it keeps my activity private, protects my data, and prevents my internet service provider from tracking or throttling my connection. It works smoothly on FireStick, Android, and many other devices. I've placed an exclusive IPVanish link in the description below, so be sure to check that out if you want safe and secure streaming. Once the download is complete, you'll see a prompt asking you to install the app. Go ahead and select Install. After the installation finishes, click Done instead of Open, and when prompted, delete the installation file to free up storage space. Confirm Delete, and you're all set. With the OnStream app, you get access to movies, TV shows, dramas, and kids' content all in one place. Streams play smoothly with little to no buffering, and the app works great on almost any device. The latest version of OnStream is packed with features users love, which is why it has become one of the most popular streaming apps among FireStick users. Whether you're relaxing at home or just trying to kill some time, OnStream has something for everyone. And if you're worried about installing a third-party app, there's no need to stress. OnStream is safe and secure to use. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support really helps me keep making more helpful content for you. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you'll be watching first, and I'll see you in the next video.